Good day to my fellow crypto enthusiasts. Hey, who is calling? Coach man. Yeah, hello.
Coach. It's Alpha, long time.
You never call for checkup. What's the mission? Tell me.
Oh, it's not like that. So, here's the case that I saw your video on YouTube. So I wanted to know more about crypto, but I have nothing to invest. So I wanted to use that as an alternative.
Okay. With that, I recommend this app called Pi Network. It's a mobile-based mining app, as it's different from proof of work. It's totally different from proof of work, but it's similar to proof of work.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Then I will start. So how will I get the link for that?
I will leave the link in my comment section, but I know this: if you use my link, you get one free pie, and I will dash you additional 4 contacts of security.
Oh, Charlie, bro, thank you for that. Man. I appreciate more them, more well.
Bye. For full of the year. Okay, so let me teach you how to create and set up a Pi network app. So let's dive in. Start with this, you first go to Play Store. So you search for Pi network and you download it. And you must also download Pi browser as well. You then navigate to the Pi app. So here you select continue with phone number. So I click on it and select Ghana. You type Ghana, then you type in your phone number. Then here you verify your email. Here you enter your password and submit. But you know password is secret. So here you fill in your first name, last name, and username. With the invitation code, you will type WAST 24610, so that you can get your free one pie. So with the invitation code, you will type WAST 24610, so that you can get your free one pie. Then you submit. Then click on get started, and then click on the flash symbol. This process tells you are mining. And select mainnet checklist. Yeah, so yeah, the first task is to download the Pi browser. So click on it and click on sign in to Pi browser. Create a Pi wallet. So here you must create a Pi wallet. So now you have to generate a new wallet, since you are setting up as a new member. Since we are generating our seed phrase and the display here is our seed phrase or my seed phrase, I will not allow you to see because seed phrase is private. Yeah, it's private. So never give your seed phrase to anyone, or anyone asking for your seed phrase, that person is a scammer. Write down your seed phrase and copy it from this session. So you can see that we have done performing our first 2 tags. So we proceed to 3 as we are moving on. So you click on the third tags, then you paste your seed phrase. Since my seed phrase is private, I won't show it on public. After completing your third tags on the Minion checklist, the fourth tag simply means it's like proof of stake. It's like committing your Pi coin to the Pi ecosystem for validation of transactions. So I will recommend that you set the duration to 2 weeks. You set the duration to 2 weeks so that after 30 days consecutive mine you can apply for your KYC and your Pi coin will be able to migrate it to the mainnet session. I hope you get me. Yeah, so that's the hidden secret of setting up the lockup duration. So for example, when you set up your duration to about 3 years, you boost your mining rate, but you can never access your Pi until 3 years, or your Pi won't be migrated until 3 years. Yeah, that's the big secret. No one will tell you this. I made this mistake in my first account I set up, so I don't want anyone to be a victim. And be careful when setting up this fourth tag of the mainnet checklist. And the fifth tags will be done automatically, but with the sixth one you click on the sixth tags, then you click on accept, then you paste in your seed phrase. But with the seventh one, you cannot apply it immediately until after 30 days consecutive mining before you can apply for the KYC. And the eighth tax is under review. After submitting your KYC, which is the seventh task, they will take a review of your KYC to validate whether it is you or not, or robot. And with the ninth one, it will depend on your duration of commitment. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comment section. I will also leave the link for the accessing of Pi under the comment section so that you can access it via my link and you get a free 1 Pi.